Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a new Bluetooth speaker from Mivi and it's the Mivi Octave 2. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this speaker. So here is the box. Mivi has sent us this special box and it says on the top, proceed with caution. You're about to feel the quake. So that's really interesting. And here on this side, it says heavy bass. So I think we're going to experience some solid bass from this speaker. At the bottom of the box, we have a quick note for us. And yes, you're right, they have sent us glasses and safety helmet. I must say that I like the packaging and the concept behind it. And this gives me an impression that the Octave 2 is designed for bass lovers. Now let me show you the unboxing experience. So here on the top we have the Mivi branding along with the tagline Let's Party. And here is the picture of the speaker. And then on this side we have the model name Octave 2, which delivers 16 watts peak output. At the back of the box we have some key features such as it gives you 360 degrees stereo sound, super solid bass, 9 hours of battery life, they are waterproof and you can pair two speakers at the same time which will give you stereo output. And the speaker is portable which makes it easy to carry. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first we have the warranty card and with this product you get 1 year warranty. And then here we have the speaker. This is the blue color and apart from that, this speaker is available in red, green, black and grey. We will look at the speaker in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the Type-C charging cable, which means that the speaker has the Type-C charging port. And then here we have the aux cable. And apart from that, we get the user guide, which has the info about the different functions. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the speaker closely. Mivi Octave 2 is the successor of the original Octave speaker, and in my opinion, it looks very similar to the first version, but it's bigger in size. The build quality and design looks pretty good, which is similar to the first generation Octave speaker. In terms of the technical specification, the peak output of the speaker is 16 watts, and you get the Bluetooth 5.0 support in this speaker. This speaker is also IPX7 rated, which means you can take it with you on your adventure trips. Talking about that more, there is also a strap here by which you can easily carry the speaker around, or you can also attach it to your backpack. Now in terms of the overview, you have this premium fabric all around the speaker, which gives it a nice and a classy look. You get these large plus and minus buttons which allow you to increase or decrease volume as well as change soundtracks. And then on this side of the speaker we have the power button along with the pause and play button. And then we have this protective cover, and underneath this cover we have the micro SD card slot, Type-C charging port and also the aux port. On the top we have this rubberized material on both ends which will help in reducing the buzzing sound when you're using the speaker. Now let's turn on the speaker and pair it with our phone. So the speaker is paired. Now let's see how is the sound quality.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
My first impression about the sound output is that the speaker definitely offers loud and punchy bass. And if you're a bass lover, then you will love the sound output. I'm really surprised that this small size speaker is delivering this sort of output. Apart from the bass, the clarity is also pretty good, and overall, I'm really happy with the performance. And guys, when you play music on the speaker, you will see this rumbling and vibrating end, which looks pretty awesome. And as mentioned earlier, you can pair two Octave 2 speakers, which will give you a true wireless stereo output. But even with only one speaker, you get this 360 degrees sound experience. This omnidirectional speaker is good for small room and will be useful for house parties or even pool parties, as it's IPX7 waterproof. The battery of the speaker is also good and you get up to 8 hours of playback time, which is really good. And in this speaker, you also get a built-in mic which will allow you to take calls hands-free. Overall, Mivi Octave 2 is a pretty good package, and in Rs 2299, we're getting an amazing value for money deal. The sound output is really good and for sure offers heavy bass. And if you're in the market for a rough and tough Bluetooth speaker for your daily usage, then we highly recommend you to check out this new Mivi Octave 2 speaker. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Mivi Octave 2 speaker. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this speaker in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.